Hello, hello, hello.
Hey, welcome in, man.
Hi. Wow.
Ben Phillips, right?
Yes, sir.
You have a great smile.
I swear.
Thank you.
You're partially blind?
Yes, ma'am.
What happened?
I wasn't actually born this way. It happened while I was in secondary school. That was when we got to notice my vision just kept going down and down and down. We treated it though, had a bit of operation, a laser surgery was done, but all to no avail. It remained the same. It really had little or no effect. Although I was placed on drugs regularly just to keep it running the way it is right now. But hoping for the best anyway.
Ooh. Man. Ben Phillips! Ladies and gentlemen, it is Ben Phillips.
Yeah.
Ben Phillips live on Nigerian
Especially.
Idol. Live on Nigerian Idol. You did that, man. Damn.
Your voice is amazing.
Thanks, Ma.
You sounded beautiful, and I'm so inspired by you, like knowing that you can do whatever you want to. I think that I would be right and bold to say that you're gonna get a golden ticket. Definitely.
Yes, sir.
Thanks, Ma.
Ben Phillips. You know, she's bringing you the golden ticket.
I have to talk to you.
You gotta give him a hug, man.
Yeah.
Ben Phillips.
Y'all don't get my legs. I have Crocs on. This is for you, sweetie.
Thanks, Ma.
I'm so pleased to meet you. Thank you. Congratulations. You didn't have... I can